Hello everybody, I would like to welcome you in Susan Pantha Express YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to solve the question from class 11 and 12's book. The one topics complex cube root of unity. This is given in both 11 and 12 class according to new syllabus. 1 plus omega square sum rules. We have to know about the sum rules about the complex cube root of unity. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Then omega cube is equal to 1. That is the rules about the cube root of unity. Now we are going to solve the problem. Before going to solve the problem, we have to know about 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. Then 1 plus omega square is equal to what? Minus omega. Yes, minus omega. This is from while solving the problems. This comes while solving the problems or questions. Now we are going to prove some question. We are going to prove some question. Question is 1 question. What is the question? 1 plus omega minus omega square whole cube. Yes, minus 1 minus omega plus omega square cube is equal to 0. It's equal to 0. Solution. We have to write solution. This is omega, not w. This is omega. 1 plus omega minus omega square. 1 plus omega. What we have? 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. Minus omega square minus omega square cube. Don't forget to write it equal to here. 1 plus and omega square. First and last. We have seen 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square. Where are 1 plus omega square means minus omega cube is equal to no need to write here is equal to taking left hand side here. Taking left hand side. So we have to prove what? 0. We have to prove 0, so no need to take minus 2 omega square cube minus 2 omega cube is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 power 3 is equal to 8 minus here odd number, so minus sign here omega 6 minus plus here 2 to the 4 to the 8, yes, here minus common sign, minus here minus odd number, here minus also, here also minus the plus 8 omega cube, yes, 8 omega cube. Then minus 8 omega cube dot omega cube dot omega cube plus 8 omega cube. Here we know omega cube. Yes, omega cube is equal to 1. Omega cube is equal to 1. So minus 8 into 1 plus 8 into 1 minus 8 plus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. Here what happened in left hand side this equation, then we have to prove 0. Here answer also 0. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proof. Here it's 0. Yes, left hand side and right hand side is, if you want to get screenshot then get it. Let's solve question number 2. This is the number 2 means that here question 2 plus omega square cube whole cube, yes, plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 8 minus 1 minus 3 omega plus omega square power 4 is equal to 1. Yes, power 4 is equal to 1. Then we have to prove from this simplify. We have to simplify and prove 1. Taking left hand side, we have to prove 1 from this. Then we have to copy this question at first. 1 plus omega square whole cube plus 1 plus omega minus omega square power 8 minus 1 minus 3 omega plus omega square power 4. Then we have to do here 2, and we have to convert into 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. We have the question, we have already in rule 1 plus omega square. Then we have changed into 1 plus 1 is 2. Yes, 1 plus omega square power 3 plus 1 plus omega. Already we have done in first question, that is minus omega square I have done directly. If you don't understand, then look that for what question, first question. Then 1 plus omega square is 1 plus omega square minus is as it is here. Then 1 plus omega square means minus omega minus 3 omega power 4 is equal to 1 plus omega square means 1 plus 0 cube. Yes, 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Then plus minus 2 omega what square, omega square power whole power 8 minus yes, minus 2 omega minus here given minus 3 minus 1, then minus 4 omega. Yes, minus 4 omega power 4. Then 1 plus omega plus 1 into 1 into 1, any power 1 is equal to 1 plus power 1 means here even number. Yes, here even number 8 and here also even number, so I have written as even number 1 minus into minus plus then 2 power 8 2 power 4 16 and 16 2 5 6. Yes, omega 8 to the 16 minus here also minus, here come the positive sign, here even number but here negative, here positive came sign, plus minus minus. Yes, then 4 power 4 power 4 4 16, then 4 for the 16 square is power 4, then 2 16 into 16 2 5 6 omega. Yes, omega 2 5 6 omega power 4. Don't forget to write 4 here, power also here multiplied. Here 1 plus 2 5 6 omega 16 power 16 minus 2 5 6 omega power 4. Then what we have to do, 1 plus 2 5 6 omega 3 power 5, 3 5 is 15 dot omega, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16 minus 2 5 6 omega 3 dot omega power 1. We have write 3 plus omega. Likewise a power 6 a power 3 dot a power 3. We have write as same a power 3 plus 3. Likewise a power 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 1 a power 4 is equal to 1 plus 2 5 6, then omega cube means 1. Yes, 1 power 5 dot omega minus 2 5 6 into 1, omega cube means 1 into omega is equal to 1 plus 2 5 6 1 power omega, here omega remaining, omega minus 2 5 6 omega. Yes, 2 5 6 omega, here also plus minus cancel out, so 1 remaining. Therefore what we have to prove, 1, then all we have to simplify, then come answer also 1. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side proved. Let's solve the third question, question number 3. Yes, this is question is very simple. 1 plus omega square power 4. 1 plus it come in just few steps, only too long is first question. Then that second question 2 5 is question also short. Here multiplication only given, solution 1 plus omega square, we or list copy 1 minus omega plus omega square power 4, 1 plus omega minus omega square power 4. Yes, we have to prove what we have to prove, 2 5 6 2 and 56. Then taking left hand side, here written is taking left hand side, I have taken this equation power 4. 1 plus omega square I have already did in first equation, and second equation also I have shown it. 1 plus omega square means minus omega power 4. 1 plus omega square means minus omega, and minus omega, this minus omega as it is written here, and 1 plus omega square here. 1 plus omega is 1 plus omega means minus omega square power 4 is equal to, yes, minus omega minus 2 omega power 4. Then here also minus 2 omega square, here also is minus into minus, minus also here. Then omega square minus 2 omega square power 4 is equal to 2 power 4. 16, yes, 16. 16 here even number, so 16 omega power 4. Then multiply, here also multiplication, so we have right in bracket minus 2, here positive sign, here even number, so 16 omega power 8, yes, 4 to the 8. 16 for easy I have done. Okay, then this whole multiply 16, 3 to the 6, yes, to the 6, how many remaining? 2 remaining. Then 3 to the 6 to 8. Then 16 into omega, yes, 16 into omega remaining 1. We have no need to write 1. Then 1 plus 3 omega cube means 1 square. 1 square means 1. 16 omega square remaining here. 16 into 16 I have also drawn in above 2 power 8, yes, 2 power 8. 16 into 16 means 256 omega into omega square, yes, omega into omega square, 256 omega cube is equal to 256 into 1 is equal to 256. Here omega cube is equal to 1. Omega cube is equal to 1. Here omega cube is equal to 1. So what we have to prove from this 1 minus omega plus omega square whole square plus whole multiplication 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 4 is equal to 56. We have to prove. Answer also 256. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. If you want to get this screenshot, then take it. Inside, taking left hand side, and taking left hand side to prove what? 9. To prove 9. So the right equation as it is, 1 minus omega square. Copy this all. I have nothing done here. This step I have only copied the equation. Then 1 minus omega, yes, 1 minus omega minus 1 minus omega square. 1 minus omega cube. 1 minus omega cube dot omega. 1 minus omega cube square dot omega square, yes. Then 1 minus omega cube dot here same written is 1 minus omega square is 1 minus omega square. Then 1 minus omega cube is 1. Then 1 multiply omega. Then 1 minus omega cube. Omega cube means 1 whole square. 1 square means 1 into omega means omega. 1 into omega square, here remove omega, not omega square, here omega square. Then what we have seen here, 1 minus omega. Then we have written 1 minus omega whole square. Then 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega square whole square. Now let's solve. How can we solve this? We can write it formula way. Yes, we can write it formula way, or directly we have multiply 1 minus omega 1 a square minus 2 b square. Here a square minus 2 b, yes, omega plus b square. Here also a square minus 2 a a plus b square. B square means b square means omega square whole square. Then 1 square means 1 minus 2 omega plus omega square. 1 plus 2 plus omega square. 1 square means 1 minus 2 omega square plus omega power 4 means omega power 4. I have written same in omega power 4. 1 minus 2 omega plus omega square. 1 minus, yes, 1 minus omega plus omega square. Then 1 minus 2 omega square plus omega power 4. 1 minus 2 omega square plus omega cube into 1 means omega here same. 1 minus 2 omega square. Here also 1 minus 2 omega square. Then what we have to do? We have to prove 1. So 1 plus omega square means 1 plus omega square minus omega minus 2 omega, yes. Minus omega minus 2 omega. Minus 1 plus omega means minus 2. 1 plus omega means 1 minus omega, yes. Minus omega minus 2 omega square. From the first question we can know 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega, yes, same. Then minus 3 omega. Then here also minus 1 omega square minus 1 omega square minus 3 omega square, yes. Then here 3 minus plus 9 omega square into omega square into omega is equal to 9 omega cube is equal to 1. 9, yes, 9 into 1, so 9, yes, 9. Here is equal to. Here what we have to prove 9, yes, we have to prove 9. 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega power 8. Taking left hand side we have done and simplify answer also what? 9. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proof. Here we need to, if you want to get this answer, then if you understood what I have taught, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Then we have now let's solve the fifth question. What is the question? A plus b omega plus c omega square upon a omega plus b omega square plus c plus then a plus b omega plus c omega square upon a omega square plus b plus c omega is equal to minus 1. What we have to prove? We have to prove minus 1. So taking the left hand side, taking left hand side from the question, we have to copy the question properly. If we wrote the question wrong, then our answer will not be proved. So a plus b omega plus c omega square upon a omega square plus b plus c omega. We have written the question. Then a plus b omega plus c omega square. Then what we have to do? We have to first of all know here what are here written. Then we have this is a bit difficult question. If we practice them, it will be easy, not difficult. We have to divide and multiply both sides by omega. A plus b omega plus c omega square upon a omega plus b omega square plus c. We have written same as here also, omega plus omega. Then a plus b omega plus c omega square upon a omega square plus b plus c omega. Yes, c omega. Then what we have to do here, b omega square, here we multiply this then c. Yes. Obviously multiply here by this 1 by omega we have to return in a omega, yes, plus b omega square plus c omega square dot omega. Here multiply c omega upon a omega plus b omega square plus c. Here also plus now as it is written here also needed what u, yes, so multiply down by this a plus b omega plus c omega square upon what we have to multiply here a omega square dot omega plus b omega plus c omega square. We have done this. This is not difficult, this is easy, but in first practice it is how can we done, we don't know. So if we practice then it will be easy to complete this or solve this. Then 1 plus omega as it is I have written 1 plus omega a omega, yes, a omega plus b omega square plus omega in omega square into omega cube, then omega cube means 1, then we need to write cube we have written directly 1, then a omega plus b omega square plus c, yes, plus omega here written omega means here a plus b omega plus c omega square, then here written same, I have written same plus c omega square, yes, then here also downward omega square dot omega cube I have written omega cube into 1 a directly, then omega plus c omega square, yes, I have already multiplied that. Then what is here is seems to be equal, yes, here seems to be equal a omega plus b omega square plus c, a omega plus b omega square plus c. Here also cancel, all are cancelled here, all are cancelled, yes, all are cancelled, here also all are cancelled, here also all are cancelled. Then what we have 1 plus omega plus omega plus omega, here also cancel, here also cancel, all here also cancel, yes, here also cancel. This and this are same, both are same, so 1 upon omega into 1, no need to write 1, plus omega into 1, no need to write 1, so 1 upon omega plus omega square, omega into omega square, we have to write denominator. Same numerator is 1 plus omega square means minus omega upon omega is equal to minus 1 proved. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side proved. This is very easy, and simply solve is minus 1. If you understand, I hope you are understand what I have taught, what I have done here. So at last I would like to request all of you to subscribe my channel and like this channel if you like, subscribe and like my channel if you like this, and I hope you are understand this what I have written here, what I have taught. I am also learning with you. Have a nice time ahead and meet in another video.